Assalamu alaikum. Today we would like to start off with our second objective from similar figures. The objective is whether you have to prove that two triangles are similar or they are not. Okay, first we come on to this type of question. Let's take it as example number 1. Example number 1, we have been given angles. Angle A over here is given as 46, angle C is given as 78, angle B, which is not provided to us, angle Q is given as 56, angle P is given as 46, and angle R is not provided to us. Alright, so according to the rule of similar figures, the angles are supposed to be equal. Angle A is supposed to be equal to angle P, because triangle, say we have, the question will come, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So A will be corresponding to P, so A and P should be equal. And if you see over here, both these angles are equal to 46, hence this is equal. Okay, we have to make all the three angles equal to one another, then only we can say that these triangles are similar. Alright, so let's check if angle B is equal to angle Q. But angle B is not given, angle Q is given as 56. So let's see that whether angle B will also be equal to 56 or not. Alright, so if I add these two angles, that becomes equal to 124. Alright, if I add them, alright, so from 180, when I subtract this 124, I'm left with 56 degrees. Okay, that means this angle B is 56. Alright, and since angle Q is also equal to 56, so therefore angle B and angle Q both are equal to 56. And the last step to solving, proving that these triangles are similar, alright, the third angles are also supposed to match. That means angle C is supposed to equal to angle R. Angle C is provided to us, but angle R is not provided. So if I want to find the value of angle R, again the same method, that the sum of these three angles is supposed to be equal to 180 degrees. So if I subtract these two angles from 180 degrees, that means add them up, that becomes equal to 90 and 102. So 180 minus 102 becomes equal to 78 degrees. That proving that R is equal to 78 degrees, hence making these two triangles as similar. So you prove that these triangles, that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, let's go on to prove this second example. Alright, again over here we need to prove that whether triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR or not. Okay, to prove it, in this the angles are not provided to us, the sides of the three sides are provided. And as we know the rule of the triangles which are similar, that the ratio of the corresponding sides are supposed to be equal. So let's check the ratio of the sides. Checking the ratio, we divide the bigger value by the smaller. Since the triangle PQR is bigger and the triangle ABC is smaller, so I will divide the bigger one by the smaller one. The side PQ and AB are corresponding, so the value for PQ is given as 8.4, this value for AB is given as 7. When I divide both of them, I get the ratio 1.2. The ratio of the other two sides are also supposed to be the same, so let's check them out. QR, which is equal to 10.8, and BC, which is equal to 9, are also supposed to give us the same ratio. So when I divide both of them, I again get 1.2. Now the last one to check are the last side, AC and PR. Okay, so when we divide PR by AC, I'm left with 1.3. Hence showing that these two ratios are equal, but since this ratio is not equal, so it proves that triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. So hence proving that these two triangles are not similar. Thank you very much. I hope that helps you out in solving questions related to this object.